If she is dressing sexy to go out without you, she is already dressing up for somebody else. This is not insecurity. This is evolutionary signaling. Females do not prime their faces, glue on lashes, and squeeze into restrictive outfits for nobody. The biological cost of this effort is too high to be wasted on empty space. In nature, visual enhancement is a direct request for interaction. You do not advertise merchandise that you do not intend to sell. She is subconsciously hunting for a dopamine spike, a spike that only comes from the hungry eyes of new males. She might say it is just for the girls, but her physiology detects a lie. She is actively validating her market value in the sexual marketplace. Essentially, she is auditing potential replacements while you pay the bills. Broadcasting available energy to strangers is a direct advertisement of sexual availability and a disrespect to the committed partner waiting at home. Remember, you should never commit to a woman who is still auditioning for the audience. A high-value man does not beg for respect. He removes his attention. If she wants to act single, let her be single.